Okay, don't bend over.
Okay. This the key for the freedom and freedom.
Touch your toes.
Key.
Touch your toes.
No.
Do your head, shoulders, knees, and toes.
No, we did that
Well,
one.
just touch your toes for Papa. Please.
Yes.
Can you touch your toes?
I can't.
Why not?
Because I can't. I
What?
can't reach it.
Well, sure you can. Try.
That key. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. 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 Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes.
Very good.